Alright, I'm in my Honda that I got not too long ago. And I just realized that, well, my friend said on the way down from Pennsylvania to Texas, just once, it took really long for him to start it. He said he had to keep on cycling the key on and off. And I researched it, and apparently a common problem with 94 to 96 Hondas is the main relay. Here's just the cover for it. Just the main relay. Of course, it's underneath the column and all that. But the problem is that on the circuit boards, it's actually when it gets hot, the fuel pump doesn't kick on because the solder on it from the factory, they didn't put enough solder on them. So when the circuit board expands when it's hot out, sometimes the solder would separate and it wouldn't get a good connection. Now I did a shitty job. I resoldered all of them, so now they look half decent, I guess, for what they are. But gonna reconnect it and see that, make sure it starts and all that. It should start no problem now. Crap, it's windy as hell out. So bear with me while I reconnect it. First, I must put it in its cover. I just got it backwards there. So that way I don't short it out on any metal up there. There's that. It's gonna be kind of hard to see up here. Here's the connector right here. It mounts way up in there. You'll see it. It's on like a metal slide connector. It's not too hard to get to though, as long as you're limber like me. But I'm sure reconnecting this with one hand or not. There we go. I'll tuck it up out of the way, just so it doesn't fall out while I'm driving. Ew. Just pull this up so I can reach the clutch pedal. Seat forward. Keys. Right up. Before I'd have to, hot days like today, I'd have to keep trying. But yeah, if you have a 94 to 96 Honda, well, mine's an Accord, but I heard it's problems on the Integras, the Civics, pretty much all the Hondas and Acuras, because they have that same relay. Give that a try. Resolder the connections. It's hard to hold this camera steady. Just give that a try. It might work. So then.